Inverter.
Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. The title of the project is Rainfall Prediction using Machine Learning Agricultures for the various ecological zones of Ghana. And the abstract of the project is accurate rainfall prediction has become very complicated in recent times due to climate change and variability. Rainfall prediction is one of the challenging tasks in weather classification. Accurate and timely rainfall prediction can be very helpful to take effective security measures in advance regarding ongoing construction project, transportation activities, agriculture tasks, flight operations, and flood situations, etc. Data mining techniques can effectively predict the rainfalls by extracting the hidden patterns among available features of past weather data. In our proposed system, we propose an efficiency of classification algorithms in rainfall prediction as flourished. This study contributes to using various classification algorithms for rainfall prediction in the different ecological zones of Ghana. The classification algorithm includes like decision tree random forest algorithm, multi-layer perceptron, XGBoost, and k-nearest number algorithm. The classification is based on accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score. Rainfall prediction data mining field concentrate on prediction more often as compared to generate exact result for future purpose. And the flow diagram of the project is first we need to take the rainfall data set and we need to apply the input to our data set, and that it will process it into pre-processing technique. In pre-processing we need to clean our data set like handling missing values, and we need to check the missing values by using imputer function. After that it will move into model selection. In model selection we are going to select our independent variable and dependent variable. After selecting the independent and dependent variable, we need to split the data set into training data set and testing data set. After that we need to scaling the independent variable, train data, and also test data. Then it will move into classification method. In classification we are using 5 different types of machine learning algorithms like logistic regression, random forest algorithm, multi-layer perceptron, decision tree, XGBoost algorithm. These algorithms are used to classify the rainfall data set and predict the rainfall. And finally it will generate the result based in the form of metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. The program was successfully executed in Anaconda Navigator Spider IDE, and this is the sample data visualization, and this is the information detailed about every column from our dataset, and this is the description between every columns in our dataset. And in this is the pre-processing technique. In pre-processing we are going to check the missing values or null values from our dataset. In that these are all the null values contains in our dataset. So in that I have to use the immuter function to replace the missing values from the related features in our dataset. After that I have to plot the correlation graph for all columns from our dataset, and this is the historical plot, and this is the paper for every columns in our dataset. And the logistic regression algorithm accuracy is 84%, and ROC area under curve is 0.72, and Cohen-Kappa score is 0.51, and the time taken for training is 2.16 seconds. And these are all the classification report for logistic regression algorithm based on for presence of rainfalls and non-presence of rainfalls. And the precision is the number of correct prediction, recall is number of correct instance of prediction, and F1 score is to measure the test accuracy for the logistic regression algorithm. And this is the ROC curve for the logistic regression algorithm. This is the confusion matrix for logistic regression algorithm. The confusion matrix, which is used to explain the number of correct prediction and misclassification for the present and option class for the rainfalls. And the decision tree algorithm accuracy is 81%, and the ROC area under curve is 0.70, and Cohen-Kappa score is 0.42, and the time taken for training is 0.28 seconds. And these are all the classification report for decision tree algorithm. And this is the ROC curve for decision tree algorithm, and this is confusion matrix for decision tree algorithm. And the multi-layer perceptron is one of the neural network algorithm that it will comes from artificial neural network algorithm. So that the accuracy of MLP is 0.85, that means 85%, and the ROC area under curve is 0.75, that means 75%, and Cohen-Kappa score is 0.54, and the time taken for the training is 229.8 seconds, because the parameter of the multi-layer perceptron algorithm is applies for 500 iterations. So it will train the data for the 500 different iterations. So it will take the time to classify the result. And this is the confused classification report for MLP algorithm, and this is ROC curve for MLP algorithm, and this is the confusion matrix for MLP algorithm. And this is the boosting algorithm. The XGBoost algorithm accuracy is 86%, and ROC area under curve is 76, and Cohen kappa score is 57, and time taken for training is 134 seconds. So the XGBoost algorithm, why it take more than 134 seconds, means it will take the more number of decision to get the finite best result. That's why it takes the time is 134 seconds. And the classification report of XGBoost algorithm, ROC curve for XGBoost algorithm, confusion matrix for XGBoost algorithm, and our final algorithm is random forest algorithm. The random forest algorithm is one of the ensemble learning algorithm, which is ensemble of more decision tree algorithm. The time taken of random forest algorithm is 70.28 seconds, because it will applies the 500 different types of decisions to make a prediction. So the accuracy of random forest algorithm is 85%, and ROC area under curve is 73%, and Cohen kappa score is 53. And this is the classification report for random forest algorithm, and this is the ROC curve for random forest algorithm and classification report. Finally, we are going to compare the 5 different types of machine learning algorithm and the ROC curve. And this is the prediction which is based on XGBoost algorithm, because our XGBoost algorithm which is provide the higher result.